The Cadillac Lyriq is the luxury marque's first all-electric vehicle, initially rolling off the line for the 2023 model year. Many Cadillac Lyriq owners have recently complained via social media about an issue that's draining their vehicle's 12-volt battery. Now, the GM Authority is looking into what's going on with this new battery drain issue for the Cadillac Lyriq. Hello and welcome to Lyriq Media. We endeavor to keep you informed of the most recent information and breaking news about the EV Lyriq Cadillac and other upcoming EVs from the Cadillac Corporation. So, if you're a fan or owner of an electric vehicle, this channel is for you. We work as a family, listening to your suggestions in the comments area and providing all of the videos you need to stay current in the EV field. Please subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell if you're new here to stay up to speed on our latest content. Thank you kindly. Let's get started. Just last month, GM Authority reported on an issue affecting the Cadillac Lyriq, as well as several other GM vehicles, wherein an over-the-air OTA software update would leave the vehicle's infotainment system hanging, draining the 12-volt battery. Now, GM has issued a new customer satisfaction program intended to address the 12-volt battery drain issue affecting the Cadillac Lyriq. The new customer satisfaction program is tagged with bulletin number in 232,416,980 and affects the 2023 and 2024 model years of the all-electric Cadillac Lyriq luxury crossover. GM stipulates that the battery drain issue is not directly related to any over-the-air updates per se. Rather, the issue is a glitch that leaves the downloaded update hanging. The new customer satisfaction program indicates that certain 2023 and 2024 model year Cadillac Lyriq vehicles may have a condition where the 12-volt battery has almost discharged or is at an increased risk of accelerated discharge. In order to address this issue, dealers are instructed to disconnect, then reconnect the 12-volt battery, and then reprogram the serial data gateway. Only Cadillac dealers who have met EV readiness requirements are allowed to complete this customer satisfaction program, while the technician must have successfully completed the required training. Our engineering team is working to learn more about and diagnose the issue to minimize any further potential impact on direct customers. As part of regular vehicle care, Cadillac recommends Lyriq customers keep their vehicles charged to a minimum of 20% high voltage state of charge, SOC, and plug their vehicles into their home charging unit overnight to help maintain 12V battery health. At this point, it's unclear if this battery drain issue affects all Cadillac Lyriq trim levels. It's also unclear if the vehicle's build date is a factor. Meanwhile, some Cadillac Lyriq owners are suggesting that those affected by the issue adjust the vehicle settings so that over-the-air software updates are only performed when the vehicle is plugged in. One owner reports that his bricked Cadillac Lyriq was revived by disconnecting the 12-volt battery for 10 minutes and then reconnecting it. The battery is located under the hood, hidden underneath the plastic paneling. Notably, when the 12-volt battery is drained on the Cadillac Lyriq, vehicle owners cannot access the vehicle using the key fob or even pop the hood. Rather, the vehicle can be accessed manually by using the physical key inside the fob and unlocking the liftgate. To note, the keyhole is located just above the license plate. Several Cadillac Lyriq owners have recently reported that the 12-volt battery in their luxury crossover is completely drained. The issue has cropped up in the past few days, including this past weekend, and is believed to be tied to a failed over-the-air software update that leaves the infotainment system hanging, thus draining the 12-volt battery in the process. Critically, this issue for the Cadillac Lyriq looks to be similar to an issue reported by 2023 Chevy Colorado and 2023 GMC Canyon owners, as GM Authority previously covered. Just like the Cadillac Lyriq issue, Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon owners report that the battery in their pickup is draining, likely the result of a failed software update. The 2023 Chevrolet Colorado represents a complete overhaul, re-engineering, and redesign of the midsize pickup truck and marks the first model year for the Colorado nameplate's third generation. The all-new 2023 Chevy Colorado features a new powertrain and plenty of onboard technology in a totally revised cabin. It is packaged in a redesigned body riding on a platform that is more off-road capable across the line. The new truck is available in 5 trim levels: WT, LT, Z71, ZR2, with or without the new Desert Boss package, and the first ever Trail Boss, which was formerly offered as a package on some model years of the second-gen Colorado. While a few components of the all-new model carry over from the current model, including some of the frame and cab structure, just about everything else was overhauled, including the sheet metal, propulsion, and interior. Outside, the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado adopts a more technical, premium look compared to the previous generation. LED lighting is offered for Z71 and ZR2 trims, while wheel sizes range between 17 and 20 inches in diameter and even 22 inches. There's also a new built-in Stowflex tailgate storage system, which is equipped as standard on the ZR2 and offered as an option for the rest of the lineup. Inside, the 2023 Colorado boasts an all-new interior with 4 unique interior trims on offer. The standard specification includes an 11.3-inch diagonal color infotainment screen, as well as an 8-inch diagonal color driver information center. An 11-inch DIC is standard and only available on the ZR2. All displays are customizable. Standout onboard tech includes the standard Chevy Safety Assist package, which rounds up features like forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, following distance indicator, and IntelliBeam automatic high beam assist. Adaptive cruise control is available across the lineup. Our engineering team is working to learn more about and diagnose the issue to minimize any further potential impact on Lyriq customers. As part of regular vehicle care, Cadillac recommends Lyriq customers keep their vehicles charged to a minimum of 20% high voltage state of charge SOC, and plug their vehicles into their home charging unit overnight to help maintain 12V battery health. At this point, it's unclear if this battery drain issue affects all Cadillac Lyriq trim levels. It's also unclear if the vehicle's build date is a factor. Thank you for watching this video on Lyriq Media, your go-to source for all things electric from Cadillac. We hope that you found this content informative and engaging, and that it has helped to broaden your understanding of the rapidly evolving world of electric transportation. As always, we are committed to bringing you the latest news, insights, and analysis from the forefront of the EV industry. Whether you're looking for information on the latest electric car models, updates on industry trends, or tips on how to maximize your EV ownership experience, Lyriq Media is here to help. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please feel free to leave us a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.